Let's do a repair video. We got two FM receivers here. This under one has a cassette deck as well. The top one is a Thunderberry FM stereo TR200. So I will repair this in another video. So let's repair this one. It just says Expert here, but that is a electronic retail chain from Switzerland. So sometimes it sends Voca here. So this is actually a Voca 1173 or J-1173. So let's repair this one today. Yes, let's fix this one. I've connected some headphones here. And let's turn the radio on. The FM is turned on. So yes, we actually get in some signals here. So yes, now we know that this part works. So let's connect a speaker to it. So yes, there we got the speaker. And there's the wire. So yes, the speaker is definitely working. So let's plug this one into the radio. So yes, now it's plugged in here. There is no sound coming out of it, and not even on the other channel. So yes, it doesn't work at all. I think the power amp is broken. So we need to have a look inside and see what the fault is with the power amplifier. Here are some information. J-1173. So yes, let's take this apart and have a look at it. And you can see here how this plug looks like. You need to cut these parts away so you can fit it in the new earthed sockets. Now I've turned it upside down. We got 4 screws here. I'm going to begin to remove those. I wonder if I can remove this part here as well. It's held in by one screw here. Yes, now we can open up this part. And here we can see the tuner board and some fuses here. So let's see if the fuses are okay. They are all good. I think the circuit board here is the power amplifier because it got this heat sink here. So we need to have a look at this one. It looks like there is a budge wire here. Let's measure this one and see if this is intact. Looks like a ground wire. Yes, that's good. Let's see if we got any voltage out of the transformer. The ground here. Let's measure the fuses. Got 6.5 volts here. Like 20 volts. And 20 volts. That should be a center tap. Let's measure the both. Yes, that's a center tapped transformer. So the transformer is good. I think I need to remove this display here, or the front panel, to remove the knobs. Then we've got this tuning knob. There's another knob here. Record level. Oh, this is quite jammed in place, so I need to fix that one. Have they glued this one into there? This can't be good. Yes, now it's out. A little bit of brute force. And now remove the 2 screws on the back. Let's see if we can open it up now. And here we go. The front and everything comes with it. Here is inside of it. We got this power amplifier here. And as I can see here, the power amplifier goes to the headphone jack. And after that, it goes via this white wire here to these 2 speaker connectors. So the power amplifier must be working, otherwise I couldn't get any signal out of this headphone jack here. And we got 2 fuses here, so maybe those fuses are blown. Let's take my meter here and measure the fuses. And yes, open circuit. Same with that one. So I'm going to change these two fuses and see if it works. These are 1.6 amp fuses. Yes, I got the fuse box. 1.6 amp should be here. So let's put two of these in there. Yes, let's test this and see what it does. So now it's plugged in, and let's connect the speaker. And no explosion yet. Let's turn on the volume. Yes, I can hear something. Yes, as you can hear, it works now. Let's change the channel. Here's the other channel. That's the balancing knob. Yes, it works again. Let's clean it up a little bit and put it back together. And let's try the cassette deck as well. Yes, the cassette deck is working as well. And this knob here, we had some problem with that one. Looks like it's a bit bent, as you can see. I'll try to bend it back a little bit. Like this. Hopefully I didn't damage the circuit board. Looks much better now. I'm just screwing the front back in place. Now I'm going to put the knobs back in place. I'm going to turn these to the lowest possible range you can get them. This one is a bit loose. I'm going to glue that back in place first. This one is good. See the red marking here. So yes, so now the marking is on the right place when you turn it. So now the knobs are in place here. This is the last knob, which was way over there. This was here with the bad knob, which was this one. So I need to glue it in place first. So now I'm going to clean up this part first a little bit. And now I'm going to put the tuning knob here. And now I'm going to screw everything back in place, and we will turn it on and see if it works. And I need to try to put some contact spray into these potentiometers here, make them go a bit smoother, so it doesn't sound awful in the speaker when you change the volume. So now it's back together again. And we can hear that the main speaker is working now. I'll just put this one back in place here. I'll put some hot snot on it. Yes, let's try the cassette deck as well. Yes, that's working fine as well. Yes, let's put some hot snot in this. Putting it in place. Good as new. Yes, hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching. And in the next video, we will try to fix this Thunderberry stereo receiver.